Hello friends, welcome back on Flavors and Knowledge, and also all of you food enthusiasts. Today we have a genuinely delightful topic to sink our teeth into. It's called Chateaubriand. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, a food educator and a researcher, and I cannot wait to explore this iconic dish's fascinating history and flavors. Chateaubriand is a mouth-watering culinary creation with a special place in the hearts of food lovers and gourmands worldwide. Named after the famous French writer and diplomat François-René de Chateaubriand, this dish is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of France. And so, what is exactly the Chateaubriand? At its core, Chateaubriand is a thick cut of tenderloin steak taken from the center of a beef tenderloin. This cut is known for its incredible tenderness, marbling, and succulent flavor. It's typically meant to serve 2 or more people, making it a popular choice for special occasions and romantic dinners. The origins of Chateaubriand can be traced back to the early 19th century, during the era of the French Revolution. François-René de Chateaubriand, after whom the dish was named, was not a chef, but a prominent literary figure. He served as a diplomat and traveled extensively throughout Europe, bringing them into contact with various cuisines and culinary experiences. And legend has it that during one of his visits to London, Chateaubriand tasted a delicious steak, and he was very impressed by its tenderness and flavor that he requested the chef's cut. Upon his return to France, he shared his culinary discovery with his personal chef Montmirail, who recreated the dish with a uniquely French twist. And the result was the birth of the sumptuous Chateaubriand steak. Now, preparing the perfect Chateaubriand requires both skill and finesse. The first step is to select a premium quality beef tenderloin, ensuring it is very well marbled and perfectly aged. The chef then cuts a thick center cut portion of the tenderloin, often tying it with a butcher's twine to maintain its shape during the cooking process. Traditionally, the Chateaubriand is cooked using dry heat method like roasting or grilling, allowing the natural flavors to shine. Seasoning is often kept very simple, with just salt and pepper, allowing the beef's inherent taste to be the show star. Some chefs may also use fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary to add subtle aromatic notes. But wait, we must remember the sauce. Chateaubriand is typically accompanied by a rich, flavorful sauce such as béarnaise or bordelaise. These sauces complement the tender meat with their luscious texture and unique flavor profile, taking the dish to a new level of indulgence. As a food educator, Chateaubriand is a treat for the taste buds and an excellent opportunity to learn about cooking. Perfecting this dish requires a deep understanding of meat quality, proper seasoning, and precise cooking techniques. Over the years, Chateaubriand has gained popularity worldwide, symbolizing elegance and culinary excellence. It has undergone some variation in modern times, with chefs incorporating their creative twist. Some may add innovative rubs or marinades, while others experiment with alternative sauce pairings. And whether you're enjoying Chateaubriand at a high-end restaurant or trying to make it at home, one thing is certain: the dish is a true celebration of the heart of French classical cuisine. And that is all for this episode on the Chateaubriand. I hope it was to your interest. Please check back with us for something new and exciting on the next round. In the meantime, check the show notes for other links of interest, including perhaps recipes. Eat well and stay well. Ciao ciao.